Alright, so this is a quick demonstration for how to use this version of the OmniWrap. So for this device, you wrap it around the hand to help support silverware. This curve here is meant to line up with your thumb here, so this is the right-handed configuration, and you would simply flip it over for the left hand. I'll show how to wear it for the right hand, so you would flip this over and insert the tongue in through the hole, and then latch that and then slide it over your hand. As you can see, this is much too big, but we would just take it off, slide that down into a better position. You want this to be fairly snug, not uncomfortable, but not too loose. Once you find a good position like this is for me, then you would go ahead and pick up your silverware and try out different holes. So for the silverware, you would want to first flip it over so that it's in the right orientation for when you're using it. Insert it into the different holes and try out different positions. So for this one, it holds it very steady there. I don't really need to use my fingers much at all in this position. You can try that out however you would like, depending on the size of your hand, your silverware, whatever kind of support that you need. For the other position down here, it's very similar, that you could insert it into there, try that. This one gives you a little bit more movement and freedom, but it still supports quite a bit there. You can also rotate this piece here to find a different position if you would like. And then alternatively, you can just insert it right under the device and then hold it in your hand like this if you find that's more comfortable. When you're done, you would simply slide it off your hand, and you could leave it like this for next time or lay it flat.